Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're taking a look at the Belkin Duratek Boost Charge USB-C cable with lightning connector and the Belkin InvisiGlass Ultra Screen Protection. These are very important pieces of technology for your mobile device to keep them safe. This is for the iPhone 11 Pro Max and iPhone XS Max. So we'll start with this cable. It comes with Duratek technology. Here's some details about how fast it charges with this cable and with the appropriate charging adapter. It's 10x stronger than original cables. It also has laser welded connectors so they don't separate. So in 30 minutes you can charge with this cable up to 50% on your mobile device. And if you had the other cable that comes with the phone and the 5-watt adapter, 1 amp, you would only get 21% after 30 minutes. This comes with a nice leather catch right here. And this is the cable itself. This is the Duratek technology built in. The laser welded item is right there. So this is the lightning and the USB-C side. You can also use this with iPad. We like that they chose a leather or a similar type product to snap cover the cable. And now the InvisiGlass, they give you a guide to install. They give you a really good instructions. I'll show you on the inside of the box. You can pause this and take a look at it, but that's the install. They also give you some accessories. So this is for dust and lint removal and for wiping the screen after it's installed. You really do need both of these accessories for your iPhone. If you're going to invest $1,000 in your device, you want extra protection with glass, and this has extra impact protection, and these are both from Belkin. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and of course thumbs up.